Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm eating a massive feast. I'm eating meatball al forno pasta with kind of fusilli pasta, I think it is. It looks so amazing. I'm eating some cheesy Mediterranean flatbread. So it's got cheese and red onion and it's beautiful. I have some slaw there as well. Two corn corbets. Is that better like that? You can see everything. I'm going to get started because I am absolutely starving. Oh, look at this. Let's do the first bite, guys. Go on. Let's go for it. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. That was worth the wait. I don't want to get everywhere, though. Look at the meatballs. These are the meatballs, guys. Love a meatball. Okay, we're not playing today. And to drink, we have some Diet Coke. So let's get feasting, guys. This flatbread is insane. Yes. Now this isn't homemade. This is from Aldi. If you remember, I had this a while ago on my channel. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I want to put the corn where you can see it. This is amazing. So how is everyone today? Oh my God, this is just something else. I've been watching a lot of Korean mukbangs lately. There's someone called Fume. Some slaw, guys. And she does such amazing mukbangs. They're just so good. Like, I love how she does the close-ups. She doesn't talk. Look at that, guys. Yummy. She only talks in the beginning. She's got such a cute kind of dog as well. She's so cute. It's something I want. I want a dog like that so badly. I think it's actually a Korean brand. Korean Dog make. Dog make. Breed. Oh my God. Don't make dogs, do you? And I would love to do a mukbang like that where, like, I don't know, would you like me to? What do you think of a mukbang where I don't really speak? It just sounds like ASMR, but I kind of do talk in the beginning. I want to give it a go. Or do you prefer me to talk? She's so cute, and the food she eats is amazing. Oh, I love how they do the intros. And it's like really cute, and like when they make the food, it's like really nice, relaxing music. I love Korean culture. And the girl's like, I love that. So, so nice. I don't really like spicy sauces. You know, they use a lot of carbo sauces and spicy nuclear. I'm not really a fan of that. So good. I have such a fear of like this not recording. It's scaring me. I'm scarred. This meatball. I think pasta has to be my favourite food. I think it has to be because it's just so... It's just... It flatters my roots because I'm half Italian, and I just think it's so satisfying. And people always say that carbs are bad, but pasta isn't fattening if you have just the right amount. In Italy, people live on pasta. Like, they're brought up on it. Like, it's just how it is. I was. can't stand people that don't know how to eat corn. You know, people are like that, or it has to be clean. I can't. This is so good. Getting full now. Oh yes, better. This is so good. Oh man. So good. So rich and tomatoey. Guys, I am very, very full now. I've eaten quite a bit. So let me know if you want me to do kind of, I mean, I'm not like a full-on lover of ASMR. I think maybe incorporating it and watching me eat, you know, it kind of compensates for two, you know, for two people, you know, for the two audiences, because some people might just want to watch me eat. Some people might want to watch me mukbang. Do you know what I mean? Watch me mukbang or talk. So let me know what you want to see my videos go, you know, the kind of direction you want them to go down, or do you want me to kind of still chit chat like this? So, you know, what do you want me to kind of do next? Because I'm always up for change and, you know, new direction and stuff like that. But I am absolutely stuffed. Diet Coke, you never fail to surprise me and, you know, nourish me and provide for me. Oh, by the way, guys, I got the stories feature rolled out yesterday on YouTube. So you'll be able to see my stories. So basically what it is, it's where you post kind of content for subscribers to view. So, you know, I can do stories like, you know, like Instagram, you can do stories, and Snapchat. So I was really privileged about that, because I was supposed to hit it when I got 10,000, but I'm nearly at 11 now. And now they're just slowly giving it to me. YouTube need to catch up. But yeah, guys, this has been absolutely amazing. Let me know if you like meatballs. What's your favourite kind of meal, like Italian meal? I love meatballs. I love homemade meatballs though, you know, like you make them yourself. Just so nice. And this is such a comforting, very tomatoey rich food. And the flatbread, again, just beautiful, crispy, just everything I wanted and more. God, it's so sad. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this mukbang. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think of the video. Let me know what you want me to do next. Thank you all for your support as well. It means a lot to me. So yeah, I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.